Hi guys! Ang i-review naman natin ngayon ay ang Eat All You Can Buffet ng Pergola inside Hotel Associa, Shizuoka. Just 1 minute walk from Shizuoka Station. Tara, samahan niyo ko! First impression, ang ganda ng place. Very calm and relaxing. Perfect siya for a chill dining experience. Ito naman yung sinerve ng hotel staff na appetizer. This was filmed last October, so in season pa yung figs. Light lang siya and naturally sweet. They also have different kinds of appetizers, from savory like tuna and apple tartar to sweet options like mini desserts and creamy puddings. Ito naman ang salad corner. Ang ganda naman talaga ng presentation. From different kinds of vegetables like carrots, onion, lettuce, corn, mixed beans, cherry tomato, crushed egg, shizuoka sprout. Ito naman ang mga dressing, cilantro, sesame, iba't ibang klase ng toppings, tomato dressing, cheese, pumpkin seeds, olive oil. Ang dami ng variations. Punta tayo sa mga ulam. Sobrang tender ng meat ng beef stew nila. Ang rich pa ng sauce. Definitely one of my favorites. Ito naman ang chicken vapor sesame sauce. Light lang yung flavor. Okay naman siya guys. Ito naman ay mackerel roasted cheese sauce. Ito naman ay roasted vegetables. For me, iba talaga ang natural sweetness ng Japanese vegetables. One of my favorites, mushroom pizza. Creamy but not too heavy naman ang lasa nitong mushroom potage. Ito yung automatic beer machine. Ang cool guys, kusang nagpour yung alak. Meron din silang white wine, red wine, sparkling wine. Meron din iba't ibang klaseng alcohol and whiskey. Info lang guys, yung mga soft drinks, juice and coffee, included na siya sa price ng buffet. Pero kung gusto nyo ng unlimited alcohol, you need to pay extra. Ang buffet price pala nila, ang lunch ay around 3,500 yen, dinner around 5,000 yen. Dito naman sa station na to, pwede kang magpaluto sa chef ng hamburger, pasta, and seared bonito. Meron ding curry rice. Ayan na yung chef, nagluluto na siya. Hindi ko rin pinalampas ang curry rice dito. Medyo thick and very flavorful. Ayan po yung beef stew, mushroom potage. Siguraduhin nyo guys na hindi kayo kumain masyado ng lunch kung plan nyong mag-dinner buffet. Ang dami, sobrang choices, from Japanese dishes to Western food. Parang gusto mo lahat tikman. Tinry ko din itong roast beef. Super tender, parang nagbe-melt sa mouth. Ito naman yung ginawa kong tacos. Simple lang siya and masarap yung combination ng flavors. Ito na yung number 1 pick ko. Mushroom burger. Sobrang sarap talaga nito guys. Ito pala yung iba't ibang desserts. May caramel and apple mousse, Shizuoka Prefecture fig tart, cheesecake with mandarin oranges, fig and chestnut pound cake, Shizuoka Mariko black tea jelly, Mishima pumpkin mousse. Ito talaga guys ang binalik-balikan ko. Asagiri egg associa pudding, parang leche flan sa Pinas. Meron ding chestnut shortcake. Ito yung tacos bar nila. May guacamole, tacos and pescado, taco meat, salsa sauce, cheese and lemon. Meron din silang iba't ibang klase ng tinapay. Ayan naman yung mga palaman. After nyo mabusog at gusto nyo magpababa ng kinain, ito ang coffee tea station nila. May flavored syrups din sila, like caramel, hazelnut, and vanilla. So pwede mong i-customize yung drink mo. Pwede nga pala kayong kumain guys kahit hindi kayo magstay sa hotel nila. Honestly, this place feels so relaxing. Medyo pricey, but I think it's worth it. Hindi lang siya about the food. It's also the experience.